Now, level 4. So here's a thing. It says, predict, read through the following program, paying special attention to what commands are inside and outside. After discussing the following questions with your partner, write down your predictions and run the code to see what the program does. What happens when you run the program without clicking on any of the buttons? What happens when you click the green button? And I don't think there's an on event for the yellow button. So, nope, no event for the yellow button. Let's see what it does. In fact, I'll pull this a little bit faster. All right. So the yellow button doesn't do anything but kind of change the font size. And it gives it a bigger border width. Now, if we click the green button, what do you guys think is going to happen? Let's watch. Okay. So did it do what you thought it would? That's all you need for this. Hit finish and you're done.